Ready to tackle our new roper wall build? This project is the perfect chance to show off your tooling skills. Grab the pattern and cow skull stencils on our website to follow along. Use a double ball stylus to trade the contours of the skull. This adds dimension and really brings out the volume of the piece. Next, bevel the entire outer perimeter of the skull. Shade inside the eye sockets and nose cavity. Then carry your background tooling just past the edge line for added depth. Slightly scuff the horn area with 400 grit sandpaper. Stripping back the top finishes allows the antique paste to soak in much darker right there. Cut out the finished applique along your pre-marked edge guides. Dab that same antique finish along the raw edges of the applique to match. Skive the applique edges down to a half thickness so it folds smoothly along the wallet spine. Then trace the pattern onto the leather using a fine point stylus. Set down a clear ruler weighted in place to create a crisp straight line. This keeps every stamp impression perfectly aligned. Cut the outer frame guidelines from the pattern without detaching them from the main body. Pro tip: use partial stamp impressions when you reach corners or outer edges. Use your pre-market guide holes to drop each stamp into the exact position. The B273 stamp can be tricky. Use your ruler for the top and bottom straight edges and reinforce the pattern inner sides with tape to guide the left and right borders. This will make it so much easier. Keep going. Apply the same dye shade to both the inner pockets and the main body for a uniform finish. Bevel all the visible edges, including the pocket tops and the zipper opening. Thin down the fold lines using a 5mm French skiver for a clean, effortless bend. Punch your stitching holes around the zipper opening before gluing the zipper in place. Then stitch all the way around. Attach the card slot divider to the lower end of the zipper pocket. This stitch line will be completely hidden later on. Leave the center line unstitched for now. Cut small alignment slots at the four corners of your pattern to transfer the exact applique placement into your main leather piece. Scuff away the finish on the gluing area so the adhesive can bond directly to the fibers. Set the main panel into a folding jig, then carefully align and press down the skull applique. Firmly rub down all the edges to ensure tight, permanent bond. Now it's in place. We can stitch it down. Once the applique is stitched in place, set the main panel over your assembled zipper pocket and stitch down the center line to join them. This is why we didn't stitch the center. With the main pieces combined, lightly case the main panel along your pre-skived fold lines so the leather bends cleanly without stress or cracking. Apply adhesive to join the back panel to the main panel. Fold it into shape and press firmly. Once set, sand the edges flush across all the layers. And there you have it, a custom roper wallet you can truly be proud of. You can easily adapt this build to your own style by swapping out the skull applique or experimenting with any of the options from our line of brass stamps. Thanks for crafting with us. You can grab the patterns and most of the tools used in this video over at texasleathertools.com. See you on the next one.